It was a rainy day, and Roly's taking passengers with Daisy. And Roly's at Maywood Station, and Roly and Daisy are dropping off passengers. It was raining, and there was a huge rain coming down, and the little drops came down on Roly and Daisy. Oh, what a rainy day it is. It's already raining, and all this rain is a little bit terrible for my swerves. I'm highly sprung, and little drops are a little bit terrible for your swerves. Well, we totally get it, Daisy. It's fine. Everybody knows what I meant. I totally get it, Roly. And sorry about it, Roly. Just got a bit caught up with myself. It's fine, Daisy. I see you're just wishing that the rain could stop, but I'm sure we'll be okay. And oh, here comes Harold, the helicopter. There's a fallen tree on the other part of the line. You and Roly has to go to the other part of the line near Elsbridge Harbor, Daisy. But I'll be late. And being late is... I know what you're thinking, Daisy, but the line is still blocked. You have to go to the line near Elsbridge Harbor. And don't worry, Harvey and the breakdown train is clearing the branches. You have to go to the other line. Go carefully, Daisy. Thanks, Harold. I'll try to be careful. Father, just wishing I could go back to the sheds, and now I have to go on to the other line, and I'm going to be late.
Many, many minutes later.
Oh, you decided to came already. You're a bit late, Daisy and Roly. Sorry, Thomas. I just headed down the line and I got held up at the next station because of a fallen tree on the line. Well, it's lucky for you that I'm a guaranteed connection, Daisy. What? You heard me, Daisy. You're a guaranteed connection? Yeah, and everybody knows that I am. Anyways, gotta go, Daisy. Gotta get those passengers to Vickerstown and get the rest to Farquhar. I'll see you later, Daisy. You are totally a guaranteed whatever it was, he said. I heard that.